this is Francesca and Leah, and welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be throwing a dart at the map, and whatever lands on we use for slime challenge. So I'm super excited because on here we have a whole bunch of slime ingredients. We're going to be throwing a dart at it, and whatever it lands on, that's what we're going to use. And we have some balloons with some mystery items, so I'm super excited. If we pop one of the balloons, a little paper will fall out, and that paper will have an item. It could be good or it could be bad, but we'll have to find out. It could be mustard or it could be glitter. Okay, so let's do this challenge. I'm so excited. I love throwing darts at a map, and we live on the map. We're like in Texas, okay, right here. Okay, anyway, so I'm super excited. So let's get started. Let's do rock, paper, scissors to see who's gonna throw the dart first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Every time. Alright, I'm gonna go throw the dart. Dun, 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 dun. Alright guys, I'm gonna go first. I hope I get something good. And by the way, we're each gonna throw the dart 10 times. So we have 10 things. Oh my gosh, 10 times? Yeah, alright. Clear glue! Yay! Oh, my turn. Alright, so I get clear glue here, and I'll take my clear glue. Now put it in there, so let's go. Alright, Leah. Let's see. Pink clear glue! Yay! There you go. Thank you. Guys, let's put our first ingredient in. I love my pink glitter. Yeah, like you love pink. I know. And purple though. Alright, so that's all I'm going to put in for now because I don't want to get huge slime. This is going to take a long time because this has to be so thick. Alright, Leah, I think that's enough. Yeah. Okay, let's get ready for round number 2. Alright guys, I'm going to aim for a balloon. I'm going to take that risk. Okay, yellow balloon. Oh, so close. Wait. Oh, clear glue. Clear glue. Again. Wow. More clear glue, I guess. You can use that one again. Alright guys, it's my turn, and I think I'm going to go for activator because same as Francesca, I'm going to get the glue, the activator, then all the add-ons. So let's do it. Okay. Or maybe one of the balloons. I'll aim for the pink balloon, actually. Whoa. Okay. What? I got it. So basically, I could pop it. So hold on. I hate popping balloons. Ew. Here's your dart. Pop it with the dart. No, I don't want to. I will for you if you want. No. Oh my gosh, I hate popping balloons. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What did I get? Switch balls. No. Okay, now we're gonna switch and I'm gonna pour in the clear. Alright, so we already switched our bowls and I poured in the clear glue, so now it's time to throw a dart again. Okay, bye. You're like, okay, bye. Alright, I'm aiming for the yellow balloon again. But there's also a chance I get the white. I'll take the risk. Okay, silver glitter. Looks like I'm doing silver glitter instead. Here's your dart back. Thank you. Now it's time for me. All right, Leah. Okay. I'm aiming for the purple balloon. Well, how do you always get the balloons? Oh my gosh, now I have to pop it again. Dang it. Leah, you have to throw harder, first of all, so the balloons should pop. Yeah. What? This pen isn't working. Okay. Okay, got it. All right, Leah. What did you get? Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Black glitter! Dang it! Whoa, Leah. Let's put our third ingredient in. Boo doo doo doo. I want to mix. Alright, can I? No. Alright, next dart. I'm excited. I love throwing darts. You know me. Me loving throwing darts. So. Alright, so this is going to be our 4th round. I'm excited. Okay, I'm excited. Guys, Leah already got 2 balloons. I can literally not get anything. So I'm gonna aim for another balloon. The yellow balloon. I'm gonna go for the orange. Yeah. Oh, are you? Wow. Okay, watch me. If I get a balloon, no. Silver glitter. Yeah, silver glitter. It was on a pink soda. Thank you. Alright, well, I messed it here and do nothing. Go! Silver glitter! Well, you gave this to me, so it's basically your fault.
I was going for this.
But you got
Wait. There's 2 silver glitters. Which one would you rather have?
this one, because this one is sequined and my slime. Oh my gosh, so many glitters.
Yeah, I know.
There.
All right. So, let's go for round 5. I have my dart, and let's hope I don't land on a white part. So, yeah.
Are you?
I'm not kidding right now.
Like, here you go. That's awesome. Here you go. Well, thank you. If I get it.
I'm gonna stop aiming for balloons. Don't aim for balloons.
Purple glitter glue. That's just what I wanted to have. A little
All right.
brightness to my slime.
I'm gonna sit here again and watch.
Let's put my purple glitter glue. Come on, get out. It like blows the glitter all over the place. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, next round. Woo.
All right. So let's go again. Let's hope I don't get away.
Cause I feel bad for the wall.
Oh my! I am done with this game.
You keep throwing it at the wall.
Okay, but I want to see what it's not going to count, but I just want to see.
Still, wow, we're gonna have to.
Great.
Soon we're gonna have to call a plumber to fix our walls,
Plumber.
or whatever fixes walls. Okay.
So you're saying our wall?
Pink glitter glue.
So you're saying our wall is a toilet?
No, our wall is all over with like holes all over, and soon there's gonna be a humongous crack on our wall. Well, I'm gonna have such a galaxy slime.
And there's me over here like, what am I gonna do?
But still, that's gonna be like a pretty color, I guess.
I guess, not a good enough answer for me. All right,
I wanna go start.
comment down below whose slime would you rather have right now?
Mine.
I don't know, I kind of like mine, but I definitely would rather have Leah's luck in throwing darts.
Okay. Come on.
Here we go.
If you get the wall.
I swear. Okay.
Of course.
Okay, I have to stop aiming for balloons. This is not funny.
Yay.
What? I'm not playing right now. What?
Oh, dang it.
No.
Yay. Oh my gosh. Ew.
What is it? What? I can't do anything today. This is not funny.
Yes, it is.
Oh. Choose your own ingredient. See, wow.
Yes. Okay.
My luck.
See here.
My luck today has.
So there's shampoo.
No, you can grab anything from here.
Oh, okay. What should I choose? Maybe something so I can win the challenge. Maybe some activator. Fine with me.
No!
Guys, this looks like my slime is gonna be made soon. Sooner than yours.
Wow. Well, now you're gonna. Okay.
Where are the darts? Okay. Put this back.
Where's the other dart?
We can just share.
That's round number 8, and here's my unlucky dart.
And the unlucky map. And the whole.
There's
Wow.
one balloon left. I'm not gonna aim for it. I'm gonna aim for activator, so
What
I
if
can
you hit
at
the
least
wall?
make slime.
What if you hit the wall again?
I'm going.
Purple glitter glue.
Hey, it's better than the wall.
Oh my gosh, we only have 2 more rounds left.
Okay, purple glitter glue.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna try to get that balloon and take a risk.
All right.
Every time. Wait, no, I didn't. Dang it.
Nah. You lost your turn for once.
Dang it.
All right, time to add in
I was
my.
so close though.
Oh, it's looking pretty.
We only have like 2 more rounds left.
All right, I'm not gonna add more because it's
Okay.
not coming out.
Let's throw another dart.
All right, guys, I'm gonna throw round 9. Let's hope I get activator. Here we go. Wow. Okay, well, I mean, it's not
Better than nothing.
Yeah.
Well, that was over with. Okay, let's do it.
Where's the blue glitter glue?
Okay,
Alright, Leah.
I'm scared. Should I get the last balloon?
Alright, try.
it!
Whoa, that's the risk of.
But I was close though, like
Well, I mean,
like this much away.
alright. My slime is looking pretty,
just gonna
honestly.
wait
But
here.
that's only when you pour it in. But when you mix. Alright.
Next round.
Oh, yeah. Oh my
Last
gosh.
round.
I kind of want to aim for the balloon, but I also need activator, so I'll probably aim for activator.
Aim for activator.
Yeah.
So,
Alright.
come on.
3, 2,
You got this.
1. What?
Look, clear glue. More clear glue. At least you can get a good color.
Okay, but I don't have any activator.
Okay, this is gonna be a risk. I'm
not gonna pour it.
I'm aiming for the balloon.
Okay, what if you don't get the balloon, or what if the balloon has something bad in it? Okay, she got the balloon.
I got the balloon.
How do you keep getting the balloon? What?
Oh, dang it. Pop it.
Wow. Way to pop it.
I'll take it. Dang it, it's not popping.
You're not even putting it on. Okay, you know what? Can I just...
Okay.
Can I just pop it?
Okay, there.
Okay.
Activator.
You know what? I'm done with this challenge. If I would have gotten that balloon, I would have had activator.
You know what? I feel bad for you. You're gonna have just a little activator.
Wow, that must have activated my slime.
I feel bad for you.
Okay.
There.
Okay.
Let's mix.
I still need to pour in more clear glue.
Okay, let's see how much.
Alright, that kind of just...
So guys, let's mix a doodle do.
Mix the doodle do.
Okay guys, it's time for me to mix my amazing and galaxy slime. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, it's turning silver and black. Ew. Oh no. Let me add some more activator though. But I still have to add some baking soda, so.
Alright guys, time for my slime. Comment down below what color do you think it'll turn into.
I think
3,
like
2,
silver,
1.
something like or purple. Oh my gosh, that looks beautiful.
I know. Oh, look, mine is so much better than yours. Well,
I
in
know.
colors. Whoa, look at that.
That looks cool. I want it. It looks like a unicorn slime.
Yeah, and here's what the
That looks cool.
I know. It's like galaxy.
Don't you want to switch?
It's like light galaxy.
Don't you want to switch?
Yours has too much glitter.
Da,
Da.
da,
Da.
da.
Alright, whoa, you guys, this is honestly pretty cool. Alright guys, so I obviously lost this challenge. I mean, but I do want to activate it anyway to see what my slime would have turned into, because this nice map literally got me nothing.
You live like in that map, so be happy.
Well, you're just saying where you live is bad. Well, I mean, the map gave me like really bad luck with slime, but can I use your activator because I don't
Yes.
feel like bending over and getting it.
Oh my gosh. That looks pretty.
Yep, something you really want, right?
Yes. Yes, I do.
All right. Well, ready? Look, 3, 2, 1. Boop. No, look. What? Why isn't it doing it anymore?
It's like an experiment.
Alright, guys, so this is gonna take forever, like every slime challenge ever.
Well, mine is almost done, so.
So, I guess we'll see you guys in 3, 2, 1, and we're done. Bum, bum, bum. My slime turned out so good. Even though I lost the challenge, I really, really like the slime. So,
I wish we would switch because I'm in love with that color, but still, this one is really cool.
do Do you want to switch slimes and just feel each other's?
This one is cool. It's big though.
Yeah.
Mine's tiny.
Alright, anyway, I really like how my slime turned out. I mean,
Since this turned out silver,
Guys.
I could okay, that's fine. Since this turned out silver, I have to remember that there's still pink and purple in this slime, so help me remember. Look how stretchy this is. Wait. Listen.
not as much as mine. Ready?
Wait, I want to try. Look how. Oh. Wait.
Alright, so apparently we just compared the clickiness, so comment down below who's better with clickiness, now stretchiness.
This sounds like
Okay, honestly, yours is really stretchy, mine is really stretchy, but I added, but I think mine is a little more stretchier, right?
No, mine is more squishy.
Alright, hold on, switch.
Can't see. Oh.
Yeah, mine is.
Yeah. Okay. Your slime. I love your slime.
Leah! You dropped. Yeah, no.
Hey. Okay, whatever. My slime is just good.
Yeah, so like none of that in mine.
Okay.
Alright, and now color. Mine is very light bluish purplish kind of.
Okay, if you're a tomboy, you'll love this color. Ask her.
Yeah,
You like this color?
Yeah. Alright.
I love that color.
So
Mine is like silver.
that is basically it for today. I had a lot of fun doing the challenge.
Bubbles.
Okay,
Bubble
let's do the
Bubbles.
challenge. Bubbles.
Wait.
Well, okay. I mean, that's not
I need to
really
spread my
good.
out. Come on, get it out. Okay. Oh. Okay, then comment down below who made a bigger bubble.
Alright, hold on. I want to just try it. It's really hard to do it on here.
I know, with this on. Okay, I think I won.
Alright. Well, now I'm going to name mine. Hashtag, okay, I probably never name my slime this again, but hashtag mermaid.
Okay. Hashtag
Just because of
diamond
the colors.
powder. Hashtag glitter diamond powder. I mean power. Not powder, power.
Alright. So that's basically it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. We had a lot of fun. And thank you, Matt, for this amazing slime, even though you didn't give me activator, but thanks for the colors. Alright, anyway. Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share, and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share. I just added it go, but do it. And thank you guys so much for watching. We love you. Bye-bye.